Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to practice English. I want to track my progress, improvement in English, improving or not. I want to what type of a problem I am facing while talking in English language. I will see and I will improve these things. While practicing my English, if I make mistake, please comment me in comment section. How many sentence made mistake? Comment me in comment section below so that okay, I can also catch my mistake. And if you have any tricks and tips, then comment me in comment section below so that I can follow your tips and tricks. And now I don't have any shortcut tips, and practice is more important thing for spoken English. I feel that things and I started practicing English. Okay, and if you like this video, like and just subscribe to my channel. I will be motivated more and more, and I can also improve my English speaking skill. And thank you for watching.